Stop making me laugh. Her hair is green.
It's green. It's short. It's like a stubby ponytail still. It's weird.
Somebody else gotta hold this because I am over here.
You keep moving.
Because I'm moving. Wait. Oh, she kicked her.
What if they just busted out fighting? Funny.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. Is this real? They're joking.
Is this
and she got a skirt on? Like,
they real did it. That's their play fight.
What is...
oh.
Oh, they got Arizonas though. I want one.
Play fight with my friends.
I want an Arizona.
But like, they swing too hard. Like, you see that?
Oh my god.
They're ratchet, bro.
I wonder if I put this on Facebook, if somebody finds out that this is
them.
Kick fight.
Oh. Oh. Oh, snap.
There go that Arizona.
Dude, somebody save the Arizona, please.
But she like wiped out, bruh.
I feel like we know these people.
Probably do.
Is she popping now? We know them. Look, I get closer and we know who they are.
Oh my gosh, you get closer. What the heck? Dang, Jamilla, you all up in the mix. How you camera? Right, paparazzi, bro.
What is she? She's twerking the truck?
I'm trying to see her face.
I can't stop
Right,
laughing. That was so funny.
Here, hold it like this.
Somebody else hold this, please. This is like 2 minutes long.
Uh-oh, phone.
Look at the one. Look at the ratchet one. Look at the ratchet one in the car. Zoom in.
Like, look like they're looking at you.
Yeah, it looks like they're looking at us.
Can they see us up here?
I think so. I thought these windows was waving at me. I thought these windows was tinted.
They're not.
But I didn't. Oh, wait, where are we?
We're gathered around.
Wait, can I see us? Oh my gosh. These ones are tripping.
They are.
Wait, but like, low-key, I swear she was waving at me. Yeah, me too. The car's moving.
Wow.
Look at her just hanging out the car.
And that looks like a real main street. The main street.
Oh my gosh, your battery's flashing.
Yeah.
Oh.
Uh-oh, green hair. Uh-oh. That's a no-no. Why is your hair... Oh my
Is that
god.
obsession? I'm kidding.
Oh.
That's something with the green hair.
These ones are wild.
What the heck are you doing?
In a skirt.
Oh my gosh.
No, like, did you see how close you got? Ew! Ew! Oh my gosh, this is all bad.
What are you doing?
Ew, you can see. Oh my god.
Is the other girl trying to get up there?
Oh my
Is
gosh,
there music? Like, I
tripping.
can't hear anything. If there's no music, I'm gonna be so
I'm
mad.
guessing there's music.
You just had to do it.
Oh, it's Waka.
Yeah, I was going to say.
They listening to Waka.
And she's going hard. This is her favorite song.
Oh my Jesus.
I wonder if they would stop if we walked out the door and like stood at the end of the parking lot.
Let's go do it.
Oh, look, there goes the Neil.
Jumped.
You're right.
Is that obsession? I don't know.
Trying to figure around. I'm trying to see her face.
These windows, they can see us if they look.
That's not even... They wouldn't look in the church at all.
They probably even know.
They might. Is your phone record? I mean, is your camera recording sound?
It's recording us talking.
That's what I meant.
Yeah.
I heard you say you could.
Oh, it's all commentary. Yeah, this is all the commentary on this video. I'm putting this on my Tumblr.
I'm about to reblog.
No Facebook.
Like, I was there.
Oh my gosh, she's like a green smurf. For real, looks like Play-Doh. Her new name is Gumby. That's her new name. There goes Gumby. Uh-oh. My mom coming? Why they running? Somebody's shooting. Uh-oh. Oh, brother.
They
what happened?
They split all up.
They all.
Oh, man.
Aw, shoot.
The video's over.
What happened?
So my mama was coming.
They dipped. They jumped off the top of the car.
I guess she jumped down.
We should have paid attention to the girl.
That's how you know they weren't supposed to be in the car.
Uh-oh. Everybody ran.
I'm about to put this everywhere. Just
And that's a wrap, fellas.
Okay.
That's it.